Hi all, welcome to clickshare.com. In this video, let's discuss about concatenate and no concatenate table operators. As you are well aware, the QlikView scripting language is very similar to SQL language. If you wanted to merge two physical tables as one, then you need to use concatenate table operator. Generally, QlikView does automatically concatenate when the number of fields and the names of the fields are same. However, the order of the fields really doesn't matter. If you come from SQL Server background, then concatenate function is equivalent to union all table operator. If QlikView does not perform automatic concatenation, then you can perform an explicit concatenation by using the concatenate operator. This way you can merge two physical tables as one. If the field names are different, then QlikView fills the missing rows as null values. The syntax for using the concatenate operator is simple. You just need to use the keyword concatenate between the two tables. There is also an optional parameter where you can specify the table name while using the concatenate table operator. So let's look at a simple example and understand how and where we can use concatenate and no concatenate. So let's get started. Let's go to the script editor. Okay, I'll delete this. I was trying to test the script. Okay, so I've created a simple OLEDB connection. Then I'm querying table from SQL Server database. As if you remember the rules, QlikView concatenates when the number of fields are same and the names of fields are same. So if your SQL select statement or the load statement meets these two criteria, then QlikView performs automatic concatenation. So let's just load subset of the data, which is where gender equals to male. Let's go ahead and reload this, and it creates 9,000. I beg your pardon. It creates 9,351 records. And click on close. Okay, so now let's add the table box and let's select some sample data here: name, education, email address, first name, gender, last name. Okay, and let's call this as male customers. And if you see, all of these customers are male. Because we have used the where clause, it filtered out the data. Now let's go back and then let's bring in the female customers here. So if I copy and paste the same script, so the field names and the number of fields are same because I'm using the asterisk, which is star. But instead, I'm bringing in female customers. Before that, let me show you something here in the table viewer. So if you see dim customers, there is only one table. Click on OK, and let's go back to script editor again. So we've already created the male customers. Now let's go ahead and create the female customers here. Let's click on reload. If you see, now we have 18,484 records. Click on close. Now do you see the female records here? So what's happening here is QlikView still performs automatic concatenation because it met the conditions. The two conditions are name of the fields and the number of fields. However, if the field names are different, let's create a simple example. Let's select gender here, and I remember some field names. So first name. So let's copy this. And here I'll select last name. Now if I go ahead and reload, let's see what happens. Yes, we lost the data because we've loaded only subset of data. Let's go back. So QlikView performed a join here because we have first name here and we have last name here. So let's go back and let's say that we don't want to perform a join, but we wanted to perform a concatenation of one physical table. So I'll call this as male customers just for the sake of simplicity. And here I'm going to say concatenate. I would rather call this as customers. That makes more sense. So, and then copy this. If you just say load this select statement or the load statement followed by concatenate keyword, and then if you use another load or select statement, QlikView performs forced concatenation or explicit concatenation. So just as a good practice, I would always prefer giving customers here, because if you're performing any transformation, it's always easy for the other developers to see what table you're concatenating with. So you're saying that load this table and then concatenate this table with the following table, with the following load statement or the select statement. So now let's go ahead and click on reload. Let's go back, and ideally we should have only one table here. Perfect. And then let's click on OK. So we have first names here for female customers and last names we have for male customers. So now there will be a scenario where you don't want to perform concatenation. Let's say that you have first name here and then first name here. And if you remove this, as you know that QlikView will perform automatic concatenation. However, you don't want to perform concatenation, then you should say no concatenate. And with no concatenate, you don't need to specify any optional parameter. So you can leave it like this. Click on reload, and QlikView creates a synthetic table here because it's trying to join based on gender and then the first name. So it's very simple. Comparing to the concatenate statement, the no concatenate is exactly opposite. So just to summarize what we have covered, we understood when QlikView performs automatic concatenation, and then how to use explicit concatenated statement, and then finally how to use no concatenate statement. I hope this helps. Feel free to ask any further questions or leave a comment. Also, I would encourage you to participate in QlikView question of the day, where I ask QlikView questions on regular basis. So it's a simple knowledge check process. You can instantly check the results and see where you stand compared to other developers. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.